In this video, we will solve some more questions from the chapter Trial Balance and Rectification of Error. In the previous video, we have done question number 5 and 6. Today, we will start with question number 7. Now, let us see in the question number 7. It is the first point is sales book under. One more thing is to be noted that question number 6 and 7 is almost similar. In the question number 6, what we have done is that there were overcast of the sales book, purchase book, sales return and purchase return. Means in all the 4 scenarios, means there were overcast was there. But in question number 7, the reverse is there, that is the opposite of overcasting is undercasting. Sales book has been undercast, purchase book undercast, return inward, again that is undercast. All the things are here that is related with undercast. So entries will be almost similar. Means in case of sales overcast, sales was credited instead more, and instead in place of this question number 7, where sales is undercast, means the sales should have been, you can say 300 more should have been there, but it has been undercast, means less, and sales has been, you can say, credited. So what we have to do here, the question is somewhat related. So the very first question is question number 7a. Total sales has not been given here. Sales book has been undercast by 300. Now we have seen that total sales has not been given here. So there is we cannot write the correct entry here because the total amount of sales is not available. Similarly, we cannot write the wrong entry also because the sales has been undercast. Means sales book, as we know, when we sell goods, sales is to be credited because sales account will be credited because sales is an income, and the rule for income is credit all income and gain, and sales will be credited. Now the sales book has been undercast. The undercasting is by 300. Undercasting is by 300. Means the sales account wherever, you can say, instead of writing sales account, there were the totaling was 300 rupees less. So again there will be, we cannot write the correct wrong entry here also because the total amount of sales is not available with us. Only the rectification entry we will be doing because the other two things we cannot pass the general entries here. Directly we have to do the rectification part. Now as we know, sales is to be, when sales is done, it is to be credited, and now if sales is to be credited to sales account, we should have written. Now this was undercast, means the total of sales group was, you can say, transferred from the sales group to sales account, and the totaling was 300 less. It means the sales account would have been credited with 300 less, and in order to rectify, we will credit the sales account with rupees 300. Now there is no other account to be debited. So what will happen? Instead of, when there is no other account to be debited, then what happens? The balance or the difference amount is to be credited, is to be transferred to suspense account. So suspense account will be debited here to suspense account. Suspense account debit. It will be debited with rupees through 300 because the total of debit as well as credit should be same. Means since the sales is of rupees 300, so suspense, the difference amount should also be transferred to suspense account. That is 300 will be transferred to suspense account. Now similarly, the next one, the B part, question number 7b. Purchase book is undercast. Now as we know, purchases, what is purchases? When we purchase goods, then purchases account is debited. When we purchase goods, purchases account is debited. Because you can say when you purchase, something will be coming into the business. That is, asset will be coming into the business. And rule for asset is, if asset increases, it is to be debited. Because when you purchase asset, it will come into the business. And rule for asset is, if asset increases, it is to be debited. Now the purchase book was undercast again by rupees 400. Purchase book was undercast, it means the purchase was to be debited with 400 more, and it has been debited with 300 rupees less. So in order to rectify, we have to debit purchase book with rupees 400. So here entry will be purchases account debit. Purchases account debit 400. Now again, since there is no other account to be credited here, so the difference will be transferred to suspense account. We will be writing here to suspense account. To suspense account 400. Similarly, the next one. Here sales return book, return inward, return inward. See what is return inward. Return inward. Return inward means if something will be coming into the business. Return inward means back to the business. What will be returned? The goods which have been sold. The goods which have been sold, that will be returned. So return inward simply means sales return. Return inward simply means that is sales return. So sales return, it has been undercast by 200. 200 undercasting is there. 200 undercasting is there. When goods are returned, then again goods will be coming into the business. Goods will be coming into the business. If goods are coming into the business, it will increase. And as we know, goods are an asset, and rule for asset is increase. When assets increases, it is to be debited. But when assets increases, it is to be debited. Sales, when sales are returned, sales returned means goods will be returned to the business. Means those goods which were sold, now they are coming back into the business. So the goods will increase into the business, and rule for assets is when asset increases, it is to be debited. So it has been undercast, means it should have been debited with 200 more. It should have been undercasting means under totaling. The total was 200 less. It means 200 more should be there. Means the goods, that is sales return, should have been debited with 200 more. So the entry will be sales return account debit. Sales return account debit. The amount is 200. Now since there is no other account to be credited, so difference will be transferred to suspense account. To suspense account. 200. Again you can see goods sale return inward means sales return. Goods are being returned to the business, means the goods which were sold, that will be coming into the business. If goods come into the business, it will increase. Goods are an asset. Asset will increase in the business, and rule for increase of asset is it is to be debited. And this debit total was undercast, means the total was 200 rupees less. In order to rectify, what we have to do, we have to increase or we have to debit the total with 200 rupees more. So sales return will be debited with 200 rupees more, and since there is no other account to be credited, so the balance or the difference amount will be transferred to suspense account. The last one, that is return outward. Just like return inward, return outward. Return outward. Out means what? It will be going out. What will be going out? When you have purchased, it is also known as purchase return. Return outward means purchase return. Means the goods which were purchased, they are being returned. That is going out of the business. Return outward means the goods which were purchased, they are going out of the business. That is, the goods were purchased and they were being now returned. So our purchase or asset will be going out of the business, because the goods are an asset, and if asset goes out of the business, as we know, it will decrease. The asset will decrease, and rule for decrease of asset is it is to be credited. The rule for decrease of asset is it is to be credited. Now it has been undercast by rupees 100. It has been undercast by rupees 100. Means the credit of 100 should, there is lesser credit of rupees 100. So what we have to do is we have to credit purchase return book with rupees 100 more. We have to credit purchase return with rupees 100 more. Purchase return account Now since there is no other account to be debited, because we have, there should be two aspects of the transaction, that is one account should be debited and another should be credited with equal amount. There is no other account to be debited, so suspense account will be used here, and suspense account will be debited with the difference amount, and this difference is of rupees 100. Now let us come to question number 8. Question number 8. Credit sales to Mohan 7,000 were not posted. Now first of all we will pass the correct entry. Credit sales to Mohan. The entry will be question number 8. First one, that is A. Credit sales to Mohan. Entry will be Mohan account debit to sales account. Now amount is 7,000. 7,000. Credit sales to Mohan 7,000. The entry should be Mohan account debit to sales, because if we sell goods, Mohan will be receiving the goods, and rule for personal, and Mohan is a personal account, is a person, so rule for personal account is debit the receiver. Since Mohan will be receiving the goods, Mohan will be debited. Similarly, sales is a income for the business, and if you are selling goods, there will be income for the business, and rule for income is credit all income and gain. That is why sales will be credited. Now what has happened is credit sales to Mohan was not posted. Now as we know that when credit sales are made, these are recorded in purchases book. As we know, when credit sales are made, these are recorded in purchases book. Credit sales are recorded in purchase book, and credit purchase are recorded in the and cash purchases are recorded in the cash book. Cash purchase is recorded in cash book, and credit purchase is recorded in purchase book. Now what happened? All the things which are recorded in the purchases book, that is, assuming this is the purchase book and goods are sold to A, rupees say 5,000. Goods are sold to A 5,000. It has been sold to B say 4,000. Then what will happen at the end of a particular period of time is, if the business decide, maybe monthly or quarterly, the total of purchase book is transferred to a purchases account. The total of purchase book is transferred to purchases account, and purchases account is debited. This purchases account is debited. And what has happened here is, the credit sales to Mohan has not been posted. Posted means what? Whatever purchases are there, it is recorded in the purchase book, and these are transferred from journal. This is a book or journal. Both are one and the same thing. Book, or it is known as journal. When purchases are recorded in the purchase, when credit purchases are recorded in the purchase book, the total of this purchase book is transferred to purchases account, and individually the balance, the sales to particular parties say A or to B, these are posted to their relevant account. For example, if suppose here Mohan is there, Mohan. Suppose say Sohan is also there. Goods have been purchased from Mohan, goods have been purchased from Sohan. So by this 5,000 will be posted to Mohan account also. This 5,000 will be posted to Mohan account. This 4,000 will be posted to Sohan account, and total 9,000 will be transferred to purchases account also. So what has happened here is that Mohan account debit to sales means it has not been posted, means the balance, the sale of rupees 7,000 has been not recorded in Mohan account. The sale of rupees 5,000 has not been transferred or posted to Mohan account. It means what has happened is that to sales account 7,000. It means what has happened? This sale has been recorded in this 1 minute. Credit sales to Mohan. This is a sales account. Credit sales to Mohan. This will be recorded as sales book, and from sales book it will be transferred to sales account. Sales account credit. Sales account credit. The total of, suppose this is a sales book we are assuming, and goods are sold to Mohan and so on, and total of this sales book will be transferred to sales account at a particular period of time, and individually it will be transferred to Mohan account as well as Sohan account also. But what has happened that it has not been posted to Mohan account. Means it has been recorded in the sales account, but it has been not recorded in the Mohan account. So error is what? Now see, The correct entry should be Mohan account debit to sales. The wrong entry is what? Mohan account should have been debited, but it has not been debited. Mohan account should have been debited, it has not been debited. So what we have to do? We have to do is debit Mohan account. Mohan account debit 7,000. We have to debit Mohan account with rupees 7,000. Now see, the correct entry is that sales account should be credited. And here sales account has been credited also. So we do not have to bother about this sales account, because sales account is to be credited and it has been credited also. So there is nothing wrong in this entry. The sales account, there is nothing wrong. Only that is that Mohan account should have been debited, it has not been debited. So what we have to do? We have to debit Mohan account. Now there is no other account to be credited here, because we should have two aspects of the transaction, that is debit and credit. If nothing is there to credit, then the balance will be transferred to suspense account again. Suspense account. 7,000. Let us do the one or two more entries. Question number 8. This is question number 8. Credit purchases from Rohan 9,000. Now this is the credit purchase. Entry for credit purchase will be purchases account debit. Purchases account debit to Rohan. Purchase account debit to Rohan 9,000. Now question number 8, the credit purchase from Rohan were not posted again. Same situation. When we purchase this good, when goods are purchased is to be debited, Rohan is to be the party from whom the goods are purchased will be credited. As we know, assuming that this is a purchase book, this is a purchase book or general. Suppose Mohan is there, Rohan is there. These are the two parties from goods are purchased, say 4,000 and 5,000. Total 9,000. This total is to be transferred to where? Purchases account, and purchases account is debited. These are transferred regularly at a periodic interval, maybe weekly, fortnightly, monthly. The total of purchase book is transferred to purchase account, and individually Mohan account will be the balance, whatever purchase has been done, it will be posted to Mohan account as well as Rohan account also. Individually in Mohan and Rohan account it will also be posted, but it has not been posted. Means in Rohan account the record was not there. In Rohan account there is no record. It means only purchases has been recorded. In only purchases account has been debited with 9,000. Since it has not been posted to Rohan account, there is no other entry. So now, in order to rectify, what is there? Purchases account should be debited. It has also been debited. So there is no issue in this. Rohan account is to be credited. It has not been credited. Then what we have to do? We have to credit Rohan account. To Rohan account. To Rohan account 9,000. When there is no other account to be debited or credited, the balance or the difference amount is to be transferred to suspense account. So suspense account will be debited again. Suspense account debit 9,000. 9,000. Let us do one more general entry. Third one, the C part. Goods returned to Rakesh 4,000 were not posted. Goods returned to Rakesh. Goods are returned to Rakesh. Entry will be Rakesh account debit. Rakesh account debit to purchase return account. Amount is 4,000. 4,000. Now see, goods returned to Rakesh. Goods has been returned to Rakesh. Means goods has been returned to Rakesh means this is Rakesh suppose. So this is Rakesh. It means we have purchased the good. It means goods were purchased. Then at the time of purchase, we have received the good. Now these are being returned. Now these are being returned. Then only Rakesh will receive the goods. First of all, we have purchased goods from Rakesh. Then when you purchase the goods, goods will be coming into the business. Now goods are returned to Rakesh. It is again going back to Rakesh. Then what it is? It is purchase return. Then it is a purchase return. Then if you are returning goods to Rakesh, then Rakesh will receive the goods. Rakesh will receive the goods. Now Rakesh is a person and rule for personal account is debit the receiver. Receiver is to be debited. So receiver means Rakesh has been debited and purchase returned account will be credited. Now what has happened is that when goods are returned, purchase returned. When goods are returned, then it is recorded in purchase return book. Then it is to be recorded in purchase return book. Now in the question it is given that purchase return from to Rakesh were not posted. Purchase return to Rakesh were not posted. It means the things which were recorded in the purchase return book, it should have been means in the purchase return book it was recorded that Rakesh has returned the goods, but it was not posted to Rakesh account. It was not posted to Rakesh account. It means what has happened is to purchase return, this entry has been purchases return. Amount is 4,000. Means it was not posted, means it was recorded in purchase return book, but it was not posted to Rakesh account. It was recorded in the purchase return book. It was recorded, but it was not posted to Rakesh account. It means there is debit part was not recorded. Debit part was not recorded. So what the wrong entry is what? Rakesh account should have been debited, but it has not been debited. So we will debit Rakesh account. We will debit Rakesh account. Rakesh account debit 4,000. This entry we have done Rakesh account. Purchase return was to be credited and it has been credited, so we do not have to pass any general entry for this. We do not have to credit purchase return account. Since there is only debit part is there, one aspect of the transaction is there, the other aspect, that is the credit aspect, is not there, so the balance or difference amount will be transferred to suspense account. That is suspense account will be credited here. To suspense account 4,000. This is the question number. Rest of the question you can do on your own, but at least one question we will be doing. Let us do the, you can say, the last one, the F. Cash sales 2,000, not posted. F part. Cash sales. The entry for cash sale is cash account debit to sales. Cash account debit to sales account. Question number 8, the last one we are doing, the F part. Cash sales. Amount is rupees 2,000. These were not posted. 2,000. Now let us see what it is. When goods are sold, cash sale means goods are sold and cash is received immediately. Entry will be cash account debit to sales, because when you are selling goods and you are receiving cash, cash is the asset for us, and rule for asset is that if asset increases, it is to be debited. Cash is the asset, and if asset is increases, means if you are selling goods, you are receiving cash, cash will be increasing in the business, and rule for increase of asset is to be debited. Secondly, you are selling goods. Sale is the income. If you sell goods, it is the income. And rule for income is credit or income and gain. That is why sales is to be credited. Now see, what has happened is that it is given that cash sales has not been posted. One more thing is to be noted, that recording and posting, these two are different things. One thing is to be noted, that recording and then posting. These are different things. Recording is one thing, posting is a different thing. Recording is the transaction is recorded, and after recording the transaction, this recording is done in journal. This recording is done in journal and posting is done in ledger. Posting is done in ledger. Recording is one thing. Things has been recorded in the journal, but it has not been posted. When cash sale is made, this is recorded in cash book. This is recorded in cash book. Cash sale will be recorded in cash book, but it means it has been recorded in cash account, but the sales part, it has not been recorded in the sales book. So what the error is there? The error in this is the cash account has been debited. Cash account debited 2000. But the credit part, the posting from cash book, it should have been posted to sales account also, but it has not been recorded that is posted in sales account. Means the sales account should have been credited, it has not been credited. So this is the wrong entry. It has been recorded in the cash book, but in the sales account it has not been recorded. Now see, the correct entry is cash sales should be debited with 2000. It has been debited with 2000. There is no error in this part. In the second part, sales should have been credited, it has not been credited. So what we have to do? We have to credit sales account. To sales account. To sales account. 2000. Now, there is no other account to be debited. This recording has been done. There is no other account to be debited. So what we have to do is to debit suspense account here. Suspense account debit. Suspense account debit 2000. This is the general entry. In the next video, we will try to do some more questions from the rest of the question which we have not done till now.